Welcome to Make the Move Financial Solutions, where we teach you about credit, how to use credit, and most of all, how to fix credit. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all my subscribers and all my followers with your encouraging words and excellent questions about credit. And hopefully all my videos been answering all the questions that you have. And before we get into another good way to get monies for your business or for any personal reasons with not having like a 700 credit score, let's make sure all the information that I provide you that you do not get into debt. Yes, no debt. We don't want any debt. There's bad debt and there's good debt. So make sure that you create good debt, that you'll have something to repay back the good debt, and you'll be able to gain a profit. So do your own due diligence, do your own homework, your own research, and make sure whatever I provide for you, that is a good fit for you before you jump into anything. So let's look into what I have for you. I'm really excited, and I believe this is a good one. And I've been waiting to provide this video for you. So let's go. The company I want to introduce you to and also look at is Upstart. Upstart is a fintech financial platform that works with or partner with banks and credit unions to bring forth consumer loans to the public. They do not use the traditional variable way to see your credit worthiness, but they use the non-traditional variable way to see your credit worthiness. So what is that way? Is by looking at your employment and also looking at your education. Now they will look at your credit score. So you want to make sure you have a 580 or above. So you don't need to have the strongest credit score to borrow from them, but it will be a little bit better to borrow more money by having a better score. So make sure you are working on your credit. And you want to make sure you don't have a lot of inquiries on your credit report. And what I mean by that, sometimes we have so many inquiries, it makes the financial institution a little uncomfortable to allow you to borrow from them. So try to have at least 5 to 6 inquiries on your credit report and make sure your debt to income is low. So what can you use the money for? You can use the money for whatever you want. Once you're approved, you can use it for whatever you want, to pay down credit card debt, to pay medical bills, to do a renovation on your house, and more. Now, I know the question, how much can I borrow? Well, you can borrow from $1,000 to $50,000. Just like that. It's that easy. So let's jump into the website. Let's look at it a little bit more and make sure it's a good fit for you. Let's go. Upstart's rates are 10% lower than traditional lenders. And this is what I like. There is no repayment penalty. What does that mean? So you can pay all or part of your loan early with no fee. When you go to Upstart's website, right away, they let you know, get a smarter loan with Upstart, and you can use it for whatever you want, for personal reasons or expanding your business for whatever you want. But below that slogan, it tells you up front that you can look at your rate by them doing a soft pull on your credit report. So what does that mean? So they will pull your credit report, and it will not show on your credit report an inquiry from Upstart. They're just going to pull your credit report, and they're just going to look at it. They're going to do a soft pull, and they're going to give you a rate. If you agree with that rate and it works well for you, now you can move forward with the application. After you submit the application, now they're going to do a hard pull on your credit report, and it's going to show as an inquiry on your credit report. So remember that. And once you start your payments, now they're going to report it to the credit bureau. So let's recap. Upstart is a fintech financial platform that works with or partners with banks and credit unions to bring forth consumer loans to the public. Now, they do not use the traditional variable way to predict your credit worthiness, but they use the non-traditional way. And what is that way? They only looking at your employment and your education. Now, you want to remember, they still look at your credit score, so you want to make sure you have a 580 or above, and make sure that your credit report is pretty clean with not a lot of inquiries, and you have a low debt to income ratio. So what are the top reasons why you want to go with Upstart? Let's go over it. So you want to remember that you have a 10% lower rate than traditional models, 26% more approvals than traditional models, 0 prepayment penalties, 42-point average credit score increase when you pay off credit card debt, rate check in as little as 5 minutes with no impact to your credit score, and this is what I like, 1-day funding after accepting your loan terms. So you tell me how it worked out for you. Tell me your experience with Upstart. Maybe you already started with them. I want to hear your experience. So share your comments below. Let's help each other. Let's help the community, and let's see what we can do with Upstart. So if you like what you heard and you want to hear some more, smash that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Be blessed.